Hello again, everybody. It's FlyMDM here, and today we have a very, very nice box here today to unbox. So, yeah, shout out to Diecast Airplane Store. Probably very quick shipping out of this. And there's going to be 6 very beautiful models. So let's see what we got in here today. Here they are. We have the American Airlines Airbus A319 with sharklets. The Spirit Airbus A321neo by Gemini Jets. The Aviation 400 Virgin Atlantic Boeing 787-9. I have looked at pictures of this model, and this model looks so sexy. Cannot wait. The Level A330-200 by NG. The Delta 767-300 by NG. Very excited for this model. And last but not least, came in a little damaged there, but we have a model I have desperately needed for years. An Air France 777-300ER by NG, or Gemini Jets. Model looks fine itself, so yeah, let's get started with this, shall we? The first model we're going to unbox today is the American Airlines Airbus A319 with sharklets. Here's the box. Gemini Jets logo made for collectors by collectors. Airbus A319, and then American Airlines. Here's the flap of the plane with a little shabby A319. We're gonna go to the back here. There's the 2D rendition of the plane, as real as it gets. Licensed by American Airlines themselves, a 2022 release. Let's get this bad boy open. I love how stubby the little A319s are. But anyways, here's the first model today, the little stubby American Airlines Airbus A319. Here's the cockpit, the L1 boarding door, the One World logo, the American Airlines logo. There's your registration, which is November 93003 in the American flag. Here's the iconic American Airlines tail. Here's the bottom of the plane. And yeah, model came very much intact, and a very nice little model there by Gemini Jets. The next model I have is one I have desperately needed in a fleet that's very rapidly growing in my collection. It is the Spirit Airlines Airbus A321neo by Gemini Jets. I originally wanted to get the NG version, but unfortunately, when I went to get it, it was out of stock. So I just settled on this one. When I look, it still looks like a very nice model, honestly. Here's the Gemini Jets logo, the 25th anniversary, and then 2D rendition of the plane with the A321neo logo. Also the newly designed Spirit livery. Not the Bear Fare, but still we got the baby bus, the taxi, as I like to call it. Here's the inside flap of the plane. We're going to go to the back here. This is a 2024 release. And here's a 2D rendition of the plane as real as it gets. We've been over this before. Dang, yeah, this thing is sexy. Oh my gosh. This is a very sexy model. It may even outdo NG on this one. Here we are, the Spirit Airbus A321neo by Gemini Jets. And there's the cockpit, the A321neo logo, the L1 boarding door, the beautiful Spirit Airlines logo with the big boy Neo engines. There's the emergency doors, and then we're going to the back here. We got the Spirit Airlines logo with the registration, which is November 702 November Kilo, and then the back door. Howdy. And we're going to go to the bottom here. There's the Gemini Jets logo and the beauty of the banana bus. So yeah, very sexy model there. They outdo themselves again, Gemini Jets. This is my second Virgin Atlantic model, but this is the Boeing 787-9. And my airport, as you know, we get everything from Virgin Atlantic. We get the A330-300, the A330neo, the A350-1000. I will be getting that A350-1000 very soon. I couldn't be more excited. But anyways, I love Aviation 400's boxes. There's a registration, which is GV at Victor, September, P, and Y. Boeing 787-9, Aviation 400, diecast aircraft model 1400, 2D rendition of the plane along with the Virgin Atlantic logo. Here's the sides of the plane. We're going to the back here, which all it has is a Virgin logo, LOL. And yeah, let's get this bad boy opened up. Oh yeah, this is just as nice as my A330neo. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Move that out of the way. Here is the third model that we have today. It is the very beautiful Virgin Atlantic 787-9 by Aviation 400. We're going to go to the front here. There's the cockpit, beautifully done cockpit. the L1 and L2 boarding door, along with the, I always forget what that is, right there in the front. There's the beautifully done Virgin Atlantic logo with the beautiful red engines, along with a purple Virgin Atlantic logo. We're going to the middle of the plane here. We're going to the back with the registration, the back door, and the Virgin Atlantic logo. And we're going to the fuselage here, the bottom, which has the Virgin Atlantic logo. Very, very sexy model overall. Very glad it's in my collection. Here's the fourth model. We got the Level A330-200, and the box design on this is beautiful. And Level, if you guys don't know, is a low-cost affiliate of Iberia that flies to Barcelona instead of Madrid. So now I have the Level and A330, and I also have an Iberia model. So yeah, my One World collection is pretty growing here, and I couldn't be more excited. But I love the box on this design. There's the A330-200 logo with the 2D rendition of the plane, the Level logo with the registration, which is Echo Charlie November and then November and then RH. I always forget. There's the size of the plane. Very, very nice. I love how it just goes with it. It's so nice. It's so cool. There's the NG card. Everybody loves these NG cards. Here's the fourth model today in the unboxing. Here it is, the Level A330-200. As you can see, there's the cockpit, very nicely done. The L1 and L2 boarding doors with the Level Airlines logo. Here's the fuselage of the plane with the green and light blue settings on the A330. There's the Spanish flag with the registration. There's the Level tail. Here's the bottom of the plane with the Level Airlines logo, as well as the green that continues down the fuselage, along with the registration. This model is very, very nice for any airport. If you guys get Iberia or any of them, I very much recommend that model for the airport. So yeah, that's all for that one. The next model, this is a brand new mold by NG. I couldn't be more excited to have this in the collection, but here it is. The Delta 767-300ER by NG. Gonna be more excited for this model. They released two of these, November 174DN and November 173DZ. I landed on the 174DN just because I think this is the Rolls-Royce one. So yeah, here's the. I love the triangles that turn into squares with the different shades of gray, and then you got the Delta Airlines logo. You got the Delta logo along with the NG over 174DN. Here's the sides of the plane. Here's the back with the Chinese, and then warning choking hazard, official product of Boeing. Anyways, I don't wait to get this bad boy open, so let's get it open. Here it is out of the box. Here's the NG card. I'm gonna take this bad boy out. And here it is. A Delta 767-300 by NG. We're gonna go to the cockpit here. The cockpit is a little bit shorter than typical. And then we got the SkyTeam logo, the L1 boarding door, the Delta Airlines logo. And then you're gonna go down here. I think these are the Rolls-Royce. If not, they're the Pratt Whitneys. Wi-Fi box. All the way down here, there's the winglets and the tail. The winglets are a little bit on the shorter side, but still overall very nice model. And then you're gonna go down there to registration, the American flag, and the November 174 Delta November, the iconic Delta Airlines tail. And we're gonna go here to the bottom, which doesn't have the Delta Airlines logo, but it still is a very, very nice model overall. And yeah, very, very glad I got in the collection. Because NG really did. That is a very nice model by NG. I mean, other than that, it looks very, very nicely done. And yeah, there's a chance I even get the other 763. So yeah, I do really want to get a 764 next for the collection. But anyways, here's the final model I've gotten for this. It is a beautiful Air France 777-300ER. Even though the box is all damaged up. Here's the front of the plane. Here's the sides. Here's the back of it. This is really cool. This is made by Gemini Jets and Socotec. There are the dimensions, which I think is really cool. And even if you want to pause and read that, you surely can. Here's the flap. Let's get this bad boy open. I've needed an Air France model so bad, and I've finally gotten one, so here it is. The big boy. The Air France Boeing 777-300ER. Massive, massive boy. Here's the cockpit. Here's the L1 and L2 boarding doors. Miller House. There's that. I don't know what it is. I do know Air France is a SkyTeam member, so it could be that. There's the new Air France logo with the two engines. Not sure what that is right there. If anybody could tell me, it'd be cool. There's the wings. There's the we're gonna go down the fuselage here. There it is. F, G, N, Z, NH, Boeing 777-300ER logo. It's the Air France tail. Not sure what that is right there, but yeah. We're gonna the cockpit here. There's the Gemini Jets logo. This is a one-piece mold. There's a registration, and yeah. Overall, these are the 6 models I got in the collection today. Very, very nice, very big assets for my airport. And this is FlyMDM signing out.